Here's Microsoft Word 2019, and let's see how to modify this table so that it will not show that many lines, rectangles. To do that, click inside the table, and up here you should have some table related tabs. So click inside, let's say there. Table tools just appeared. Click on table design and just hover over these designs and you can see a difference. Like so. So that's with the design and that's without the design. Modified and original. You can click on this down pointing arrow, and if you go over, let's say that one, then even the header is colored. So that's after the modification and that's without the modification. Okay, and select whichever you like. Let's say that one. Click on it and now the table looks different. It doesn't have double lines